When NBC Olympics decided to launch their Rings Across America tour, they called Amramp to assist with providing accessibility for millions of people to get up close and personal with the iconic Olympic rings. The rings, transported by flatbed truck, visited 11 major stops with Amramp providing accessibility for each location. Miami, Florida.
There's so many people depending on it, and just excitement in general of seeing the rings. I couldn't wait to see the rings.
Next stop, Orlando, Florida, and Jacksonville.
We were very excited about the opportunity. It allowed us to take part in something that's got a national tone to it and provides a lot of smiles for people when they see it.
Next stop, New Orleans, Louisiana.
The ramp was awesome. They loved it. It was exactly what they needed to have. Very nice, as always, to be able to make people's lives easier.
Next stop, Houston, Texas.
The installation went very well. It's very professional. We did not run into any problems at all. It was kind of a proud moment, I guess, to be a part of that.
Next stop, Austin, Texas, and Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas.
What are the chances that they're going to get to see the rings again? You know, like that was a very cool thing to experience as a whole.
Next stop, Denver, Colorado.
Damon and I actually did the install. It was negative 21 degrees. We had multiple people that came up on these sit skis and then would get in their wheelchair to go up the ramp. Makes it so that everyone is able to check it out. It's just very special to be involved in.
Next stop, Salt Lake City, Utah, and Park City, Utah.
It was awesome. They loved it. I feel like I'm really part of something that's memorable and useful and special to a lot of people. With the Amramp product, we can do things that people can't do.
And the final stop, Colorado Springs, Colorado.
The people that didn't catch it during the day were like coming by to take pictures and just how cool everyone else thought it was. Like, we need this right now, you know, as a country.